You can now pick up your library items in our exterior pickup lockers. Place a hold on County Cat online and select Shorewood Locker as your pickup location. If you prefer to talk to a staff member over the phone or in person, a librarian can help you route your items to a locker. You can also request your items be sent to a locker from the County Cat mobile app. Library staff will find your items and check them out to you. Once they place your items in a locker, you will be alerted that they're ready for pickup via email or text. You have 72 hours to pick up your items. Your alert will contain a unique 5-digit code and a QR code, which will open the locker assigned to you. If you have lots of stuff, you might see several lockers pop open. Your items are already checked out to you. Just grab them and go. Thanks for watching.